Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. This is another summer vegetable video. Tomatoes again. Don't let the simplicity of this appearance fool you. This is a spectacular sauce. It is basically a tomato butter sauce. A half a pound of butter and a pound of tomatoes. And that's it, plus salt for seasoning. This is a dish that you want to make in the summer when you get the best tomatoes that you can. It's absolutely beautiful. I used to make this when I was a vegetarian. Of course, with, cow butter. When I went vegan and I tried it with Earth Balance, I never made it again. Never use margarine in this dish. It just is not the same. When I learned how to make Miyoko's butter, this is one of the first things I made. And it was just like it used to be. Just perfect. Absolutely delicious. You basically have to take the best, ripest summer tomatoes you can find. You do have to blanch them in boiling water for a minute so that you can get the peels off. You want to take the core out. You want to cut them in half crosswise and scoop out the seeds. Then while you're doing that, you're melting the butter in your pan, and you just plop the tomato halves in there and you smash them with the back of a spoon till they cook down. Takes maybe 20 minutes to half an hour at medium heat because you don't want to brown the butter. Then when it's ready, when it's almost ready, you cook your pasta. This is Capellini, also known as angel hair. Get the best pasta you can. This is imported from Italy, and it's got that rough texture that American-made pasta doesn't have, and then just that slightly gritty texture on the outside helps to hold on to the sauce. It will also have a lighter color than standard American pasta. Don't fuss if you can't find a good Italian pasta, but don't bother to make this with margarine. Use either Miyoko's butter or my homemade butter. So let me take a taste. Of course, I tasted it for seasoning while it was cooking. And you want to make sure that you don't overcook the capellini. It only takes about 4.5–5 minutes to get to al dente. The tomato flavor is just spectacular. I mean, the fragrance coming off the plate is beautiful. You have to try this. It's so easy. I know it's rich. I only make it once a year, but it is so worth it. Really, really good. And still better for you than cow butter would be. So I will have the recipe on my blog. Link it in the description along with the link to the previous video. Thank you, as always, for watching, especially watching till the end. Liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for visiting my community tab. And I'm going to have one more bite for the road before I say see you later. Really, you have to try this. It's spectacular. See you later, guys.